So, look, I just took this apart. You had white and black on each same side, both sides. And then he's got everything hooked right back in there. So deep, you can't get to nothing. So, do what we can to make this work. And there's not enough wire. Let's see. Okay, everybody, we're gonna see what we got here. I'm gonna open this up. See what that's about real quick. Gonna see what he did wrong here. There's a plate cover. Let's see. See what he did here. Okay. He's running into the bottom. Oh, jeez. Look, he's got a three-way. Look at this. This is crazy. Put a three-way in here. Look. Look at this. He's got the hot wire on the bottom. White on top. White on top again. Hot wire on the bottom. And the ground all stretched in there. And coming in on the bottom. Oh my goodness. Totally wrong. You should have your both whites hooked together. And a black, and that's it. Done deal. Single select switch. Jesus. Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. I have to open up the next one up here. See what that looks like. That's got to be right. Like, that can't be wrong. I mean, this got to be right. Let me see. Black and white. I mean, it can't be wrong. It's got to be like that because when the wire's going to it. And he's got another wire going another way. Over there somewhere. Oh, jeez. Let me get this hooked up. I need another switch. I can definitely make that switch work. All I got to do is connect my whites. And then do the through on a hot to hot. If I got enough wire. Look at this. Makes no sense. I've never seen anything like it. No, you kidding. Then you get the hot wire, and that black wire was literally like this when I pulled it out. Like, that was literally like down there touching.